this. That would be so awesome to bring this to the youth and be like, ooh, look at all these young ones in here and do a class. There you guys go. Come play in some. We're cooking it on a fire. Or else we had a broken oven outside and we pretend that we were.
And then a bunch of xúsum seeds. And then the compost, like this brown stuff.
Yeah.
And then see that other stuff, that's cayenne. So like rodents and whatever wildlife doesn't eat it. And then so we're just gonna switch it on right here. And then
ready, action.